Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your Redmi Note 14 to your external hard drive. So first things first, of course, you have to connect your hard drive to your Redmi Note 14, and I've done a video about it, so I'll link it in the description below. And then once you've connected your hard drive, all you have to do is simply launch the file manager application on your Redmi Note 14. Or also, if you don't find this file manager app, you can simply launch the Files app on your Redmi Note 14. So whichever, simply launch it. And then simply tap on storage. And then within the storage, find your hard drive. So that means that this hard drive has been successfully connected. If you can see your hard drive within the storage type on your Redmi Note 14. Now, simply find the file that you'd like to move from, or rather, if you want to copy or move from your Redmi Note 14 to your external hard drive. So simply scroll through and find the file. So let me just find a random file or video, whichever. So I have this particular video. So I have this video. All you have to do is simply press and hold that particular video to select it. But if you have a couple of other files that you'd like to move, simply select them. So let's say if I select those 6 files, then all you have to do is simply tap on move if you'd like to move these files from your Redmi to your external hard drive. But if you'd like to copy these files, simply tap on more and then select copy from the options that appear. So for me, I'll just select move. And then since you're moving it from your Redmi to your external hard drive, simply tap on your external hard drive from the options that appear. So I'll simply select it and then choose the folder that you'd like to save those particular files to. So if you want to create a new folder for that particular file, you can simply do that by tapping on this icon at the top right corner and then create a folder. So you can say test file, or you can name it whatever you want. And then once you've done, simply tap on OK. And then all you have to do is simply tap on that file folder that you'd like to move those particular items or copy those particular items to, and then tap on the check mark that appears on the top, and that will begin the process. So depending on how big the files are, it might take a while. So let's just allow for the process to be completed. Now, once the transfer is complete, you can simply now access those files on your hard drive. So let me just go back to my storage and select the hard drive. And then within the hard drive, this was the folder that I created. So tap on it, and there you go. You can see your folders, you have the files that you have successfully transferred from your Redmi Note 14 to your external hard drive. So that's basically it on how to transfer files from the Redmi Note 14 to your external hard drive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.